And this video I'm going to show you how to use your smartphone to remove or change the background of your video without having to spend a shit ton of money using expensive equipment or having to have an expensive studio setup. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to go to your browser and search for Freepik. The reason why I'm suggesting Freepik is because it gives you access to a whole lot of options, okay, to download images without any copyright issues down the line. So just come here. You can either just download from any of the templates or examples that they have on their website, or you can just type in a description that will give you a list of images that are relevant to the kind of video you are going to make. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I'll use studio room setup and then type it into the search bar. Then I can now download any kind of sample that I like. Okay, I've already downloaded some of these videos initially, that's why it's showing me download again. Okay, so you can download as much as you want and save it on your phone. Once you are done with that step, the next thing is to go to your Canva. But in case you don't have a Canva account, okay, just go to your Google Play Store. That's if you're on Android. And if you are using an iPhone, you should go to Apple App Store and search for Canva. And then you click on install. Once you install it, you now open. Okay, so now to remove the background of your video, you need to use an image that fits into the size of YouTube videos. Okay, this is why we're here. And so the next thing we're going to do here is to type YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail. Now we're going to use this blank design, this option here with the plus sign in the middle. Now once you do that, all you need to do is to upload one of those images that you've downloaded from freepik.com from your gallery. Okay, and then upload it, add to the page, then allow it to load. But because the size of the image that you downloaded was small, and we need to ensure that we adjust it to fit nicely and perfectly into the YouTube video size, we now need to adjust it from top to bottom and then left to right. Okay, so you just click on the site and then drag it to extend it to the edges so that it will fit in perfectly. Now once you're okay with the adjustment, you can now click on this down arrow sign to download it to your phone. Now Canva is processing the image you are going to use to remove and change the background of the video. Okay, now it has already downloaded the image, and the next thing is to go to Capcut. In case you don't have a Capcut, just like we did for Canva, you just go to your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store and then search for Capcut app, install it and open. Okay, now once you're on Capcut, this is how your dashboard is going to display. Okay, so once you're here, just click on new project. Now when you click on new project, you now select the image that you've already edited on Canva and then click on add. Now because the video might be a little bit long, we need to adjust the background in order to ensure that it appears in every scene of the video. Okay, you can add as much as you want so that it's going to extend to the end of the video. Okay, now once we add this and then we adjust it to be very long, we now drag it backwards again to the beginning of the background. Okay, once you're here, now click on overlay. As you can see at the downside of the screen of your phone screen, you see it at the downside of your phone screen. Click on overlay and then click on add overlay. Once you're done with that, click on video and then you select the video you want to use you want to remove the background. click on add. As you can see, the image is still the video is still yet to, the background rather is still yet to be removed. Okay, so what you do next is to scroll down from the right to the left. You scroll and then you click on remove background, remove BG here, and then click on auto removal. Okay, but don't rush the process. Okay, give it a little time because it's going to process it slowly until it shows you background remove. Don't click on any button or any key or any function because it's probably going to interfere with the editing process and it's going to make your video look bad. Okay, as you can see, Canva has Capcut has already removed the background for us, so all we need to do is to adjust the image to the way I want it to appear. Okay, you can zoom the size and you can crop it, you can reduce the size too. Okay, as you can see, I'm doing it right here. Now it's applying the auto removal, and as you can see, it's done. Now once you are done with that, you click on this check sign, this sign that looks like Nike logo, and then we are done with the process. You can now play your video. As you can see, that's already removed the background. Okay, so that's basically how to remove the background of a video using Freepik, Canva, and Capcut. And once you are done with this step, you can now choose to add a few effects to it if you want, but it's not necessary for you. If you are okay with the way it's displaying, it's fine. But if in case you want to add effects, maybe like blur, in order to give it that professional look, you can click on this effect here at the bottom and then click on video effects, then allow it to load the options for you. If you are enjoying this video, kindly give it a thumbs up by liking it so that more and more people will get to discover it. And don't forget to subscribe too, so that anytime I drop a video like this in the future, you'll be among the first people to get access to it. Okay, so once you are here, you now click on Halo Blur. Now click on Halo Blur and then you tap on it again so that it will give you the access to make adjustments. Now we can now reduce the intensity of the blur. We can reduce the intensity of the blur so that it's not going to be too much. You can either reduce or adjust it to be increase as much as you want. So once you are done with that, you just click on this next sign and then you select the video quality that you want to download. Okay, it could be in 1080p, it could be in 720p. So all you need to do is just adjust it by dragging it either left or rightwards. You can also adjust it to 2K or 4K, but I don't want to use the 4K quality. Okay, and then on the frame rate too, you can also make adjustments either from left to right. Likewise the code read. Okay, but all those settings are not really necessary. It's just the resolution that matters here, I think. Now once you're done with that, just click on this arrow sign that is looking upwards and then you click on save to device. Okay, again you can still change the quality too in case you're not okay with the video quality, or you change your mind and you want to adjust the quality. You can still click on this and then you select the quality that you want based on your taste and then you click on save to device. So that's basically how to use your smartphone, whether Android or iPhone, to remove video backgrounds or change video backgrounds. Okay, it's as easy as 1 2 3. All you need to do is just follow the steps I've shown you in this video, and in case you apply these steps and it works for you, kindly let me know in the comments. And if it doesn't work too, let me know so that I will guide you when I'm less busy.